Magnetic door kick plates from Decor, and I'm really excited to unbox them here and see what they do to protect my door from these nasty scuff marks. I got a bundle deal for my favorite holidays. So these are a little bit different than any other kick plates you might be used to seeing. They roll up and are interchangeable, which is very cool, but serve the same protection. So I have one for Halloween. And magically the scuff marks are gone and my door is gonna look fantastic. And I have one for Christmas. This adorable modern red truck. Retro, I guess, red truck. And this really cool lion's den, a campus design for all year round. And they have a ton of different designs. These are just the ones that I chose that I was most excited about. And it's that easy. 1, 2, 3. Interchangeable. Very cool.